Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Gemma Arts with a Z. If you are not a subscriber to my channel yet, please subscribe so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. And for the new subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my channel. Today I have a new bullet journal to show you guys. So it's new and it's all fancy. So I have a new weekly spread for you guys there. It's about mushrooms and they are popping out of the ground right now because it's so mushy in the ground and it's all wet. So that's the least nice thing about it, but they look very pretty in the bullet journal, so maybe you can make them too. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video if you like it, and if you have any questions or suggestions you can always post them in the comment area and I will always gladly respond to them. Let me know. Enjoy! Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and maybe you already started to draw the mushrooms. If you did so, don't forget to show me because I am actually curious about it. And if you have any questions or suggestions, you can always ask them in the comment section on YouTube. And don't forget to press that like button on YouTube too. And subscribe to my channel if you like my videos so that you won't miss out on any of them. I hope to see you in the next one.